So we're on our way to Hulugan Falls, and this hike is regulated, meaning you have to have a tour guide with you. Once you make the turn, they basically make it easy for you to find a guide because they stop you and say, "Are you going to Hulugan Falls?" And they'll be your guide. You just follow them on a trike, and we'll get to the parking area and see how difficult this hike is to get to these falls. This is the road to the falls. Just down a little ways is the parking area and this little orientation area where you pay and sign the waiver. After that, it's a short tricycle ride to the drop-off point. Here we go from where the tricycle dropped us off down a pretty nice path. This way to Talai Falls and Hidden Falls, and this way to Hulugan. We're gonna try and see all three waterfalls today. A beautiful tree overhanging the river. And here we have arrived at Talai Falls. Coming across that bamboo bridge, we find a small fall. This little 12-foot waterfall doesn't have a name, but it's just before Talai Falls and is a great viewpoint when looking upstream. Talai Falls. Talai Falls. Talai Falls is a solid 40-foot waterfall with some unique features to it. It has this like stone rock thumb sticking out that the water goes under as it cascades down. A really unique waterfall. Very pretty. It's about a 35 to 40 minute hike to this section of the river where these two waterfalls are. I will say in the rainy season, or if it storms before you go, be careful. The rocks can get really slippery and it can be quite hazardous. If it's nice and sunny and dry, it's actually a pretty easy hike, not too bad. After coming up a steep climb, we have Hidden Falls. Beautiful. Now about 5 to 7 minutes just beyond Talai Falls, you find Hidden Falls, a 35-foot big boulder staircase kind of waterfall. Really pretty, makes a great sound. A definite must-see if you're right here anyways. After hiking halfway back, we are in the campground area, and there is a cutoff that will take you to Hulugan Falls, rather than hiking all the way back to the start and going at that Y section. You can spend the night here. I don't know how much it costs, but it's pretty nice. Stay here, they have running water. Oh, there's the price right there. 200 pesos. Very nice steps on the way down. Pretty easy to make your way. We are not even close to the bottom though. I think the hike out is going to be quite the task. Hulugan Falls at 70 meters is the tallest waterfall in Laguna Province, and typically will be among the taller waterfalls you'll see in the Philippines. However, it does not even rank in the top 10 as far as total height goes. Now if you come up the right side of the falls, find some nice pools to lay in. And it's like a really nice shower room right here. The wind isn't too bad, but it's definitely not going to stay dry. Now I did eventually put my phone down and get right under the waterfall and those rocks where I'm pointing to. The wind is incredible and the water hits really hard. Highly suggest trying it if you're up for it. Now, if you're wondering why more people don't fly their drones and make videos about this waterfall, it's because a lot of people crash here. There's no GPS in this area, and the waterfall creates a crazy amount of wind that can really drive drones nuts. My guide told me that recently she knew of 3 drones that had crashed and were not recovered. So if you're gonna go here and vlog or make a video and you have a drone, be careful. The last thing I'll say about Hulugan Falls is it's pretty easy to spend a lot of time here, even half a day. Take your lunch, have a nice meal at the bottom of the waterfall, hang out in one of the pools that are underneath it. Just a good way to spend a day. I just want to say that this hike is totally worth it. My guide Inel is laughing at me because I'm dying and she's walking like it's nothing. It's a good hike. She's laughing at me right now. I highly encourage anybody looking for a very beautiful waterfall or a couple waterfalls, come out this way. It's beautiful and well worth the hike. Now I put this picture of the stairs here at the end as a reminder that as easy as it was going down, at the end of the day you got to come back up, and it is tough. See you in the next video.